Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Windows Vista on your system via virtual machines. My name is Zia Mohammed, so let's get started. So I go on new and I look for my Windows Vista. I'm going to choose my 64-bit. I'm going to name it Windows Vista 2, but I already installed my first time, so I'm going to reinstall it back. So you need to name your system. So I'm going to name it Windows Vista 2, and I'm going to click next. Right? My memory is set, so my memory size is 512 megabytes. Then I click next. I'm going to click create a new virtual hard disk, and I say create, and my next thing here I'm going to say hard disk file type, so which is VHD virtual hard disk, and I click next, and I'm going to select their definitions here, so you can run through that when you're installing. There's a big difference. So the best one to choose is your dynamically allocated, which is already set for me. Then I click next, and I know my stuff is set here. My stuff is good here under file location and size. This is the Windows Vista ISO, by the way. So I click create, and I'm on to my next phase. My next phase is to check my settings. So I'll go on the gear icon here under settings, and I check I check to see if everything is working well, and so far I'm seeing that. So I know I selected Windows Vista here, so I check my systems here. Main thing is you need to make your boot order a priority. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your hard disk your top priority. So I'm going to do that. I'm checking my accelerator here. Here plays an important part. Main thing is that in order for this to work, or your 64 size of your Windows server, you need to enable your virtual technology through your EEPROM. This is your erasable programmable read-only memory, and that is seen in your BIOS, which is your basic input-output system in your EEPROM, right? Once that happens, your stuff will work. If you come up with under your acceleration that is a warning sign, that means your virtual technology in your BIOS wasn't enabled. Ask me how I know. So I'm going to go on network, and I cannot use NET. I know I had enabled a network adapter. This is already set, and I'm staying under adapter 1. So what I need to do, I need to choose host only adapter, right? And this will come up, and I'll click on my promiscuous mode will be allow all, and I click OK. Right? Now I can run my machine. So it's starting up. So now I need to do I need to select my host drive. So I know I already installed my Vista before, so I'm going to select my Windows Vista Home Premium, and I click Start. Right, so it is installing. So once this is going on, there's a few more steps here I need to configure. So this won't take long, so bear with me. So now I'm on to this phase here where I have to install my language. So my language is set to English, English United States. Hang on. So I'm going to click next. I need to accept my license agreement. Next. So you can play around here, but I don't need to do anything here, so I'm just going to click next. So it is copying files. So bear with me here, this won't take long. So it is on the way to installation. So this is almost done, completing installation. Just a few more steps and we're good. Right, so oops. So it's still in the installation process, as you can see. So now I need to choose a name for me. Type a name and a password. So I'm going to put Zia Mohammed OSP. Why not? Right? And my password must be unique. Because this is a trial version, this only lasts 180 days. This is just a temporary thing for the meantime. So your password should be capital P @ SSW0RD. So I'm going to retype that. Capital P @ SSW0RD. My password hint would be the @, right? And it's VISTA, I need to choose a picture. So I think I'll go with the flowers and done. Next. So computer name, I keep it like that. Desktop background, why not? Click next. So I am here, I don't need to use any updates here because it's only a trial thing here. So I guess gonna use the same style. And my time and everything is set. Click next. This is where you have to decide how you want your internet to be. So I'm choosing home. Then I click start. So this is something here. Hang on. Right. So now it is going to check my computer's performance. All the stock. So you hear the booting up, and I need to type in my password. So it's capital P @ SSW0RD. Then I click on the arrow. Click next. So it's Windows Vista Home Premium right there. Prepare my desktop. So this is how it is. So thank you for viewing. For any questions, message me. Laters.